Have you ever wanted to get into flipping homes, but were concerned about the limited number of homes available on the market, the work required to find the available homes, or the money needed to purchase multiple homes a month for those interested in growing your business? At Invest Out, we take a homeowner-centric approach to finding solutions to these investor concerns, because we recognize that by addressing the homeowner's challenge of needing to make more money when they sell, the investor's challenges are also addressed. We call this the partner-up approach to flipping, and by contractually enabling the partnering of homeowners with investors, investors never have to buy the home. Instead, they simply perform the renovation and receive a share of the increased value when the home sells. In this way, both a homeowner and realtor can make considerably more money when the home sells. Plus, because the homeowners and realtors are making more money, they tell their friends, who tell their friends, and, well, you get the picture. This means that homeowners and realtors seek out Invest Out trained investors, which means no more relying on wholesalers, yellow letters, or bandit signs to find the diamonds in the rough. And because investors never buy the home, their ability to do multiple flips per month is only limited by the money they have available to actually do the renovation, small or big. This means no more tying up hundreds of thousands of dollars in liquidity by paying for the short-term ownership of the home. Download our free informative guide to learn more about how you can help others who need the extra money while helping yourself to strong profits and growth potential in this way to invest in real estate.